I've been down in the basement trying to do some rearranging and thought I'd make a video of my stash from in the basement. Here's a few more I got upstairs. Just got that one in. There's a new Nova, a new Vet. Of course, I had to have another John Wick. I think this is my third one. I built the other two. Fairly new Mustang. A couple of race cars. And I'm currently building this one now. All right. Thanks for watching.